Have you ever wondered why you feel exhausted, even after sleeping well, eating healthy, or taking supplements? You're not tired because of your age. You're tired because your cells stopped making energy. Years ago, I discovered this the hard way. I was eating clean, exercising, doing everything right, yet I was running on empty. Then I realized the problem wasn't my food, it was my mitochondria. The tiny batteries in every cell that create ATP. ATP is the body's energy, the currency. When mitochondria slow down, your whole system crashes: fatigue, brain fog, poor recovery, even premature aging. Let me share 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Mitochondria are your body's true power plants. When they get clogged by toxins, stress, or poor nutrition, ATP, your fuel, drops, like a phone battery that won't hold charge. The real fix isn't more caffeine. It's recharging those batteries at a cellular level. Secret number 2. Feeling tired doesn't mean you're broken. It means your cells are undercharged and you can rebuild them. Your body is designed to renew mitochondria through specific nutrients, fasting, and cellular activation. Secret number 3. Most people try quick fixes: more sleep, more food, more coffee, energy drinks. But unless you turn back on your cellular energy switch, you'll keep crashing. There's a natural molecule that triggers mitochondrial repair, and I'll show you how to activate it naturally. If you're constantly tired and want to recharge your body's energy factory, book your free 30-minute health consultation. Let's uncover what's draining your ATP, your energy currency, and create your personalized cellular recharge plan. The link is in the description or bio.